guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Nike SPACE HIPPIE 4 in grey Volt. If you are new to our channel, guys, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, and you'll never miss any of our latest videos. With all that said, let's get into the review. And I know this looks like a normal looking box. I mean, it is a normal looking box, but what's inside is really dope. It's Nike's like sustainability sneaker. It's like their range in regards to using recycled materials. Really cool, like space yarn. That's what I'll get into the whole shebang, but I just want to mention that the box itself is like Nike's first step in using their platform as a means to be vocal about what they're doing to help make our world more sustainable. And I will start with the box because it's just a normal looking box. It's really small. Nike have used their single box format in regards to keeping this in place, and this is the Nike SPACE HIPPIE. So like a lot of their SPACE HIPPIE lines are going to be in this single box usage. And like I mentioned, like this is going to help our world. It's going to help reduce materials being used and trashed, basically. So this is a really cool concept. I mean, the box is just normal looking. I mean, even that tape just makes me think, oh, there should be something inside. But regardless, there isn't. It's just the sneakers that are in here, and they did get delivered just like this. So I think that's really dope. I'm a bit worried that it might have got trashed or someone might have got it misplaced or whatever, because it looks like such a normal box. But hats off to Nike for reducing their footprint. That's really dope. So let's get into the review. And there you go. That's a lot of the products are going to be having their logos right there inside, and that's what we're here for. This really light, I must say, minimalistic but very dope sneaker. And as I mentioned, we've done this in the past where we've looked at the Nike Vapor Max 2020 and the Air Jordan SPACE HIPPIE. So we got one of the main lines in this SPACE HIPPIE 4, and we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is typically mimicking the waffle shape of a lot of the Nike outsoles, and what's dope about this is that it's using a lot of recycled materials. So a lot of the old sneakers is going to be found right here in this midsole, and this adds that crater like foam. So that's what this is regarding to, which is really dope that Nike are recycling using old sneakers that you got to find right here. So that's that cushioning. It's the crater foam along the upper. So this is the space yarn, and this uses recycled t-shirts, plastic bottles, a lot of recycled materials, as I mentioned. That's going to be right here in this space yarn knit that mimics, and it feels like, to me, it feels like fly knit, which is really cool because that's really comfy. And we've done loads of fly knit here at Oneupreviewz, and we love fly knit here. We love Nike here. So there's no big surprises except that this uses sustainable products right here. If you go along the upper, so the whole upper is a sock liner. Essentially, it's a whole sock unit, and it's dope, honestly. You got the swoosh that's knitted right there with the fluorescent yellow, and it goes all the way to the back right there where you can see where the swoosh continues here. 2 pull tabs with the Nike branding. It's got Nike writing, and if you look at the midsole again, it's dope. You can like see that there's a lot of other materials, other colors, the speckles. It's all right here. You can visibly see it. It's so light, and the fact that it was in that single box just makes up for size, saving space as well, because look at that, that's what's in it essentially. There's no inside materials as well. There's no paper, no shoehorns or whatever that was already in here. So it's great to see that Nike are reducing their materials in the packaging as well. So we've got this in the grey vault, so that's what the Space yarn is. I wouldn't say that this is grey. From a distance it does look grey, but if you look really closely, to me it's more purple. And again, you can see that a lot of the speckles here of different colours, which amount to all the other materials, all the recycled clothing, plastics, all that's all right here. And it's dope to see that Nike are pushing for this Space Hippie program. A lot like how Adidas were doing Parlay. It's really cool to see other companies using their platform to push forward all these sustainable products. And essentially this is trash, but literally this is trash, but it's so dope. As I mentioned, I can't wait to try these on. They look so comfy and so interesting. They're going to be right on my foot, so let's go, let's do it. When it comes to the fit, guys, get your true to size Nike fit, whatever that may be. I wear a 7.5 and it fits perfectly. One thing I want to mention is I don't think that the lace is very necessary. When I put my feet in, it just felt like it fit and I don't feel like it's going to come off. But if you want to lace them up, I don't think it does any difference whatsoever, but it's just a different kind of lacing system, as you can see, not the typical one. But it's really comfy. I can't really feel like the midsole, if it's really bouncy or anything. It does feel a bit kind of sturdy. It just feels like it is making my feet stable. But the upper is really comfy, and that's all I have to say. Just don't get caught in the rain in these. This is gonna soak up that moisture. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end and on Instagram. Until next time, peace.